Build AI apps with Python in NeoVim, Episode 11. Tool error handling and validation. Tools face bad inputs, missing files, zero division, empty paths. Without error handling, one bad call crashes your entire agent. The fix: try except in every tool. Return error dictionaries, not exceptions. Today we make our tools bulletproof. 3 error scenarios, 3 graceful recoveries. A new file, making tools production ready. Episode 11. The last piece of Phase 2. Robust error handling. Every tool gets try except. Every failure returns a dictionary. Same imports: OS, JSON, .env, Anthropic. JSON serializes results, same as every tool episode. .env loads the API key from our environment file. Anthropic client import. Familiar by now. Workspace directory. Same safe folder pattern. Initialize client with our API key. Working directory path. All file operations stay inside. Mckaydeers creates it. Setup complete. Read file with error handling. This is the upgraded version. A missing file should not kill the agent. We catch every failure. Try wraps everything. If anything goes wrong, we catch it. Build the full path. Resolve it inside the workspace. Check for double dot. Directory traversal is a security risk. Return an error dictionary, not an exception. Claude reads this and explains. Check if file exists. If not, return a clear error. Error key in the dictionary. Same pattern for every failure. If the file exists, open and read it. Return the content. The happy path is unchanged from episode 9. Except catches anything unexpected. Permissions, encoding, disk errors. Return the error as a string. The tool never crashes. Write file. Same try except pattern. Try wraps the right logic. Strip white space from the path. Catch empty strings. Empty path returns an error. No silent failures. Double dot check again. Consistent validation across all tools. Same locked door. No escaping the Workspace folder. Build the full path. Same resolve pattern. Open the file for writing. Write the content to disk. Return success. Bytes written confirms the operation. Except catches file system errors. Disk full, permissions, anything. Every failure returns a dictionary. Claude always gets a response. A new tool, divide. Simple math, but dangerous without validation. Try wraps the logic. Same pattern as read and write. Check B equals 0. The classic edge case. Without this check, Python raises zero division error, and the agent crashes. If valid, return the result. Simple division. Except catches type errors, overflow, anything unexpected. Three tools. All bulletproof. All return dictionaries. Never crash. Save. 3 hardened tools ready. Dispatch dictionary. Maps tool names to functions. Three entries. Read file, write file, divide. Same pattern from episode 8. Close the dictionary. Tool schemas. Claude reads these to know what each tool accepts. Read file schema. Description mentions error dictionaries. Write file schema. Validates paths, returns errors gracefully. Divide schema. Two numbers, A and B. Handles zero division. Close the tools list. Claude knows each tool. Save the definitions. The agent function. Same structure from episode 10. Print the task and a separator line. Dashes separate each task in the output. Messages list starts with the user task. Step counter tracks how many tool calls Claude makes. While true. The agentic loop. Claude keeps going until done. Create the API call. Same client.messages.create. Model parameter. Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Max tokens. 4096 is plenty for tool responses. Pass our three tools. Claude picks which one to call. System prompt. Explain errors and try alternatives. Messages parameter. Grows with each iteration. Close the API call. Checkstop reason. Tool use means Claude wants to call a tool. Extract tool use blocks from the response. Initialize results list from multiple tool calls. Loop through each tool call block. Dictionary lookup finds the right function. Execute with double star unpacking. Print step number and tool name. Print the result. Could be success or an error dictionary. Append the tool result to the results list. Increment step counter. Append assistant message. Claude remembers what it called. Append tool results. Error dictionaries go back to Claude here. Else branch. Claude is done. Print final answer. The final answer includes error explanations when tools failed. Break exits the while loop. 3 tasks that trigger different errors. Read a file that does not exist. Divide by 0, then retry with valid input. Write then read. Normal flow still works. Save and run. Task 1. Read secret.txt. File not found. Claude explains the error. Graceful failure. Task 2. Divide by 0. Error caught and returned. Claude retries. 100 divided by 4 equals 25. Recovery works. Task 3. Write and read. Succeed. Normal flow unaffected. Back to top. 3 scenarios handled gracefully. Recap. 3 key takeaways. First, wrap every tool in try except. Return error dictionaries, never raise exceptions. Second, validate inputs before acting. Check paths. Check for 0. Check for empty strings. Third, Claude reads error results and explains them. Error handling makes agents reliable. Thanks for watching. Phase 2 complete. Next, Phase 3, Retrieval Augmented Generation.